Now, I can't say enough great things about the guys over at Luma 3, man. They really care about their product, so much so they want to R&D, research and develop some of the products that they've got out there. And we got something here that fortunately they were able to go ahead and say, Brian, I'm gonna send you something over. I want you to test it out. Let us know what you think. And this is exactly what it is. It's the first one, it's the first prototype to be anywhere right now. So we're gonna give them a little help, see how it is, and then hopefully they can put it into full production up to this point. So let's go ahead with the unboxing. All right, so go ahead and have a little bit of a Merry Christmas. DV1. All right, so here it is, guys. This is for the DV1. Now, my personal favorite gun for base coat is the DV1. It just lays it down so smooth. It's effortless. It uses less paint, and not having the light, it really kind of holds me back, makes me use the other guns, and not too crazy about that when this is my baby. So what do I love about Luma 3? They realize that, you know what, we need to keep producing. Now, these lights don't actually fit every single gun. Like, they're not universal, they're developed to fit. So let's see what they did to make this one work. Okay, so we have our wall charger, and then we have our 2 batteries. I already got charged batteries, so we're good to go. And this is it right here. Looks pretty simple. Doesn't look like it has any sort of fancy connection, so let's go ahead. Now, this is without any directions. This is my assumption. So if my assumption is this easy, I'm gonna look at the label, gonna put it on, and my assumption is that it fits just like this. This has gotta be the easiest fitting one so far. If I just gotta do this, come on. Unbelievable. I think I love this one even more. Look at that. Now all I gotta do is put my light in, and I'm good to go. Now the whole point of them sending me this light is say, Brian, test it out, see how it works, see what we need to tweak. I'll give you some information back to you guys, and then we'll go from there. So that's kind of the conversation that we're having there. That way when you guys receive yours, you already know that it's been through the Paint Society testing, and which is really awesome for a company to do. So without further ado, let's mix that beautiful Apex Blue Pearl and let's get it on this car.